today I'm going to show you how to crack password of a RAR file using John the Ripper software. To do so, we will use Kali Linux. As you can see, this file is a password protected file, so we cannot open it without password. So to crack this password, we need to install John the Ripper software at first. So we will enter cd desktop, then ls. Now we can see this target.rar file. So now we need to install the John the Ripper software. So we will input this command sudo apt install John and enter. Now we need to put here the root password of our Kali Linux. After completing installation, you will see something like this. Now we need to input this command rar to John, our file name, which is target.rar, then this arrow sign and crack.hash and put enter. Now you will see and crack.hash file app. Now if we visit this file by cat command, cat crack.hash, we will see this hash code. Now to extract the password from the hash file, we need to follow this command. After input this command, click enter. Now you will see this password in yellow marked here, as you can see here. Now if we copy this password and try to open our RAR file, you can see this RAR file is opened now. So that's it for today. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.